Isolation philosophy is very important to consider while preparing the piping and instrumentation diagram. Based on the isolation philosophy, we shall determine where to add valves, spectacle blinds, or removable spools, how to isolate different plants or equipment so that they are safe for maintenance. Applying proper isolation would lead to a plant that is easy to maintain. If the operator wants to go inside a vessel or dismantle a pump or remove an exchanger bundle or to get a unit out of service from the plant, then the equipment to be maintained should be totally isolated from the upstream system. Otherwise, if there is some leakage or valve passing or there is no proper isolation, then the operator may be exposed to the hazard of fluid release, which may lead to a great safety issue. Fluid release can happen due to valve or flange leakage or failure. This shall cause loss of containment, environmental impact due to fluid spillage, and may even affect the plant production, which means less profit. The risk of fluid release would be greater if we are dealing with a fluid that is under pressure and if a great volume of the fluid is expected to be released, such as being in a large vessel, for example, or flowing in a pipe with a large size, and if the fluid is hazardous, maybe toxic or acidic or flammable, then this would be a safety issue, as this can lead to injuries or deaths or catastrophic accidents. Applying a proper isolation philosophy shall minimize the risk of getting the operating personnel exposed to hazardous fluids or opening and closing the valves by mistake. In addition, isolation philosophy should consider proper sectioning of the plant. So, if this is an issue in a portion that can be easily isolated from the rest of the plant, this shall prevent the issue from propagation. Sectioning the plant will be explained also when we talk about the depressurization of the plant.